Good morning, real estate rock stars. Welcome back to Coffee with CMG. I'm Corey Maurice Gilmore, and today we're talking about Instagram Reels. One of the fastest ways to generate leads and grow your brand in real estate are through Reels. If you're not using Reels yet, you're missing out on a massive reach and engagement. So let's break down how to use Reels efficiently and effectively. First, you need to create engaging and value-packed Reels. No boring sales pitches. The biggest mistakes agents make: posting nothing but just sold or new listing posts. Instead, focus on Reels that educate and entertain and even engage your followers. Best real estate reel ideas, here you go. Home buying tips. 3 things first-time home buyers must know. Neighborhood spotlights, best coffee shops in the area, behind the scenes clips, a day in the life of real estate, before and after staging transformations. And then lastly, funny real estate myths that you can just get your followers laughing. Pro tip, keep it short. Reels need to be under 30 seconds, but you have to bring that energy so that you're easy to watch. The next thing you need to do is use trending audio and hooks to boost engagement. Instagram pushes Reels that use trending audio and catchy hooks. So check the Reels Explorers page for trending sounds that you can use. Start with attention-grabbing hooks like, "Don't buy a house until you know this," or "The #1 mistake sellers make and how to avoid it." It's gotta be catchy so people can watch your reel. And don't forget, you need to add captions so people can watch without sound. Captions are super important because most people watch reels without even turning on the sound. So you want them to know what you are saying. All right, the last thing we need to talk about is, with your reel, you have to add a call to action. This is going to turn views into leads. Reels, they get tons of views, but you need a strong call to action to turn those views into leads. So I want you to try this. DM me, "Buy," for my first time home buyer guide. Comment, "Neighborhood," and I'll send you the latest market update. Save this video for later and share it with a friend looking to buy. These are some easy call to actions that you can insert in any of your reels to hopefully help you thrive. Instagram reels can explode. They can explode your brand. If you use them right, you are going to see massive results. So I want you to post educational and entertaining content. Use trending audio and hooks to increase your reach. And don't forget to add a strong call to action to turn views into leads. And drop a comment if you're committed to posting reels this week. Go ahead and drop that comment right now. And don't forget to subscribe and share this with an agent who needs to step up their social media game. Now, keep that coffee strong. Go out, create amazing reels, and we'll see you next time.